Guys, I feel like I should take a little walk. I've never really taken one in a long time. Okay, you do that. Yeah, see ya. Have a good walk. Okay. Bye. Wonder where I should go. Wait a second. I just didn't see anything right there, but I'm gonna go behind here. I'll go outside and go to the park. It seems really unusual that my house is a very far walk from... Get over here! Oh, shoot! What happened? We took you. Why are you doing this to me? Pig, take him. Yes, sir. Get a sample of his feathers so we could clone him. For what? We are gonna take over your house. Why? Because we hate angry birds. Get a feather. Okay. Oh! Now put it in the clone machine. Yes, sir. Put it in the clone. Put it on the top of there. Now just watch it clone. Oh. I am here, Master. What do you want me to do? You must go to the Angry Bird house and take over. Pretend you're Redbird. Yes, sir. That's Redbird right there. Is he up there in that lump? Yes, sir. May I see him? No. Why not? Fine, go see him. Ha, Redbird. We have nothing in common, but as your identical twin, I will take over the world. No, you won't. I will come back for you. Ha, 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 ha. Now go to the Angry Bird house. Yes. Hi, guys. I'm home from the walk. Redbird? Hi. I am home. Redbird, something's wrong with you. No, there is nothing wrong with me. Nothing wrong at all. Nothing wrong. Okay. See ya. Yes, I'm going to the bathroom. Bye. Wait, did anyone see that tag that said Made in China? No, not really. Well, I knew something was wrong with Redbird in the first place, but I know something's wrong. What's gonna happen to him? Dude, seriously, who knows? Redbird can be a jerk sometime. It's good to not have him around the house right now. Dude, come on. That's not nice. Redbird's our leader. What are we gonna do? We're gonna have to fight back. I wonder what's wrong with Redbird. He might have been taken. Not taken? There's so many possibilities. The pigs could have done something. I wonder what's happening. Master, I'm back. Good. What happened? I told them I was Redbird. Oh shoot! You didn't take off your tag. I'm sorry. I didn't know. I bet they didn't notice. Well, I bet they did. Now we gotta cut that tag off. Anyone have some scissors? Anyone? I have some in my back pocket. What? Yeah. See? Okay, now sit in the DNA processor. I will cut them when you're standing still. Yes, sir. Whoa, watch it. That almost hit me. Yeah. Now I will cut the tag. There. That's perfect. They'll never fall for it. But we need to get you a voice change. Your voice doesn't sound anything like Redbird. Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. I'm going out to the real Redbird and I'm going to take a sample of his voice. You come out of here. No. Oh my gosh. Help me, help me. I got it in this little jar. Put Redbird back. Now, put this little jar of Redbird's voice into here. Now, Robot Redbird, sit there. Now, sink in and the DNA will transfer into you. Whoa, it worked. I sound like Redbird. Yeah, you do. Now, go back to there. They'll really think it's you. You have no tag, and you sound like Redbird. Okay, I will. You can count on me. Hey guys, I'm home. I'm home. Redbird, you're back. I knew there was a real you. What happened? Nothing. Nothing at all. Don't worry. Good. So, what do you want to do? Help! Help! What was that? Nothing. That wasn't anything. Help! Guys, we're here! Something's wrong with Redbird. Something. You're not real Redbird. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Let me free. Let me free. No, no. Let me free. I'll only let you free if you tell me what kind of material you use to make your slingshot. Wood. Wood. That's it. Wood and rubber. Tell me how you make it. You make like a triangle thing and you put rubber in it and you fling it. Okay, got you. You're free. Yes! Yes! I'm free! Move it, fat pig! Guys! Guys! I'm here! I'm here! Wait a second! Who's that? I'm you! No, I'm you! Oh gosh, which one's the real Redbird? I wasn't looking when Redbird came in. I'm the real Redbird. No, I'm the real Redbird. No, come on. Believe me, I'm the real Redbird. Oh, jeez. Big Red, you gotta take care of this. Okay. I know. I have some tests. Only one of you is gonna be the real Redbird, and I know which one it will be. Now, sit back by that wall, and I need a material for a punishment for the not real Redbird. Okay, I'm sorry to say, but the not real Redbird gets a shoot to the face. But I'm the real one! No, I am. Okay. First question. There's 3 questions. Whoever gets 2 of them right, the real Redbird. But the last one is the trickiest. What's 2 plus 2? 4! 1 point for the real Redbird. But I'm real one! No, you're not. Now, which bird failed school first? Bluebird. Point for real Redbird. Wait a second, drop the gun. What, Greenbird? I know one, no matter what, that only the real Redbird would know. Which one of you can teleport? Oh my gosh, me! I was with you, Greenbird! See? I can teleport everywhere! I can teleport on that gun! See? I can do anything teleporting! That's the real Redbird. And anyway, look on the back of that Redbird. He still has the tag on. No, I don't. Yes, you do. See? Right there. You have the remains of a tag. You are the fake Redbird. Shoot him, Big Red. Yes. Thank you for believing me. I'm the real Redbird. I'm serious. That was fake. The pigs took a DNA sample of my feathers. Trust me. Now we're all safe. But we gotta watch out for all the things that are gonna be happening. It's a crazy world out there. Now, hide your gun and we can eat breakfast.
Yeah.